Hello everyone. So I finally got my license. Here you go. Kayo naman po yung next na magkakaroon nito. Okay. So my name is Grace. I just recently passed the board exam during the PNLE November 2024 examination. I took it in Legazpi, Albay. Okay, I'm from university. I finished my College of Nursing at University of Nueva Cáceres here at Naga City, Bicol, Camsur. So, after board exam, I decided to notes yung mga lumabas. So, I won't be able to forget it. Sabi ko, isi-share ko to sa mga next na magti-take ng board exam this coming May. Malay nyo, di ba, lumabas ulit. So, start na tayo. Lumabas po yung burn sa MS. Sa med-surg, lumabas yung burns, liver biopsy, prostate cancer, breast cancer, AGN, hemodialysis, HIV, OA, RA, lumabas CHD, MI, peritoneal dialysis, marijuana intoxication symptoms, route of measles. Okay. Did I mention pertussis? Yeah, pertussis, needle gauge, ACE inhibitor, CVA, thrombolytics, actions ng thrombolytics, myeloid leukemia. Sa AGN, ano daw yung urine color kapag may AGN? And anong lumalabas sa wiwi? Component ng AGN. May lumabas na DM, insulin, and also Brew-with and Trill. Anong daw ang gagawin mo kapag wala ng Brew-with and Trill during dialysis? So, CABG may lumabas, cardiac catheterization as well, feel of warmth and pressure daw. Aortic aneurysm may lumabas, liver cirrhosis, ulcer thoracentesis, dumping syndrome, Chadwick sign, position ng post-op kapag nag-liver biopsy ang patient. Deviated septum, enema, Down syndrome, ano daw yung itsura and genes type ng Down syndrome. Sa leadership, almost madaming delegation. And also, may lumabas din pala na yung sa color ng bin sa wet diaper, saan mo daw po itatapon yung wet diaper. And color ng bin sa office, sa hospital. PCV lumabas, CKMB test for MI. Anong specific ang tracing sa ECG pag may MI daw? Sa psych, bulimia, TCA, risk for suicide, lumabas din ang RA7610. Search nyo na lang po kung ano yun. Intervention if there's an abused patient, what will you do? Charting daw, if may space, ano daw ang gagawin? Sa Cordex, patient complaint kung saan ilalagay. Late qualification, saan ang entry sa charting. Sa community, madami pong COPAR. Mayroon din typhoid fever, cholera, disaster, preparedness, mitigation. Sa TB meds, ang question is, sa TB meds daw, ano daw yung parenteral route? Which among the TB meds should you administer parenteral route? Then qualitative, quantitative research, home visit, epidemiology nurse, first step in bathing newborn, first step in hand washing. If magkakandak ka daw ng research sa community, ano daw yung gagawin mo? So yung answer, write letter sa kapitan. Pre-eclampsia, anong i-watch out mo kapag nag-i-increase na gestational hypertension? Asthma may lumabas din. Saan daw makikita si references? Yung answer, appendices. Then, methodology, framework, research design, lumabas din yun. Signed consent, blood transfusion in Jehovah, independent, music therapy. Yung answer is music therapy, yung independent. Anong therapy if nakakarinig daw po yung patient ng flow ng water. The answer is music therapy. To prevent lipodystrophy, ano daw gagawin? Then FHSIS, yung purpose po. Assault, battery, may lumabas, false imprisonment, negligent, schizophrenia, Theracom, anong family teaching, paano daw nagkakaroon ng schizophrenia ng isang patient. Ovulation pa pala, lumabas, family planning, hormones sa pregnancy, tapos menstrual phases. Ay, may lumabas pa pala about restraining the patient. So, that's it. Yan po yung mga naalala ko na lumabas sa board exam. So, baka lumabas lang ulit in case you will be able to review it. Hope this helps. And ma-advise ko lang po sa inyo is to pray and pray. Kasi if it's not for you, God will not give it to you. Pero kung para talaga to sa'yo, then you know naman, kahit anong gawin mo, kahit di ka pa nga mag-aral, if it's for you, then makukuha mo to. Ikaw na yung magiging next RN. May 2 RN na sa pangalan mo sa susunod. Good luck sa boards. This, yung mga magti-take this coming May 2025. And also, advice ko din na humanap kayo ng yung makakausap nyo, yung good study buddy. And what else ba? Look after your health kasi you will not be able to function properly if you're not well, if you're ill, diba? So, drink vitamins, exercise at least 30 minutes a day. Stay hydrated and eat balanced diet po. Yun lang, pray and consistency as well. Ngayon pa lang dapat nagre-review na kayo. And repetition is the key. Paulit-ulit lang. Kasi para ma-retain talaga, minsan sa dami-dami ba naman ng mga i-review natin, makakalimutan talaga natin. It's good if we do it repetitive. Maglagay na kayo ng mga notes nyo dito sa wall nyo. If it helps. Diba iba kasi tayo ng may visual learner, may naman. So hopefully nakatulong to and good luck again. Thank you. Bye-bye.